What's up, guys? Welcome back to the garage. So today, my daughter's birthday, so I'm going to see how far I can get installing some of this stuff here. And I went ahead and got the lower ball joints pressed in at my job. So these are extended, so hopefully it will help with like suspension geometry and stuff. I never tried any extended ones before, so we'll see how it goes. I do need to fill them up with grease first before I put them on, just to make sure that they're nice and full, because it doesn't feel like there's like much in here. So I'll get those things filled up, and we'll switch over the front forks to the jackspania extended forks here, the drop forks, sorry. And we'll see how everything lines up. And I do want to do like an inch and a half lower, so we'll see how it gets us, guys. So I'm gonna put you on time lapse and see how far we get. All right, so I just got this side finished off. This is how it's looking. I think it looks real good under there. Got the Truharts on. Again, with the extended ball joints, everything's lining up real nice. I don't see any binding. Feels super loose and smooth. Got all the corner pins in, so we're safe. And yeah, so we'll slap the wheel on here and see what it looks like, and then we'll have to pause for a little while, then come back on, and we'll do the driver's side over there. All right, guys, so it's the next day. We had a good party last night for my daughter. She had a blast. And just wanted to show you guys again. We got everything finished up down here. Everything's installed. This side's ready to go. So let's slap a wheel on it, and then let's get to the other side. All right, guys, so got the wheel on, and I already see that it's going to be a lot lower here. So yeah, I think it's going to look good. Can't wait to see it on the floor. So let's hurry up and knock this side out. I want to drop this thing down. I'm excited. I want to see what it looks like. All right, guys, so this is what we're looking like. So we're about a ½ inch lower than we were, and we shortened the whole shock assembly about 1.5 inches. So I guess that it equates or equals out to being about a ½ inch on the car. So if I want, I can lower the car even more. But I'm thinking this might be where I leave it for now because it's almost hitting my fender and I'm out of camber. So I do have Skunk 2 adjustable top whatever camber kit, and it's maxed out right now. So I might have to like grind the camber kit down so I can get some more like length out of it so you can kind of tuck the wheel in, and then I can go even lower. But for right now, that's as low as I can get without it scrubbing. So we're going to leave it there for now. Check out the other side. It's the same thing. I wanted to try to tuck it like the Integra, how the top of the tire's tucked, but I don't think it's going to happen with the wide wheels and tires that I got on here. There's no spacer on this car. It's just the rims are 15/8, so they're a little wide. That's the fitment, guys. So not too bad. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. But sorry it was a quick video, guys. I just wanted to install this. I got to get inside and go clean up my house because yesterday those kids had a crazy party and they destroyed my whole house. But other than that, this is all the stuff that we pulled off. So I'm not throwing this away. This is going to be saved. So if I ever do get another EF and let's say it's wrecked or these parts are, worse shaped than these, I can slap those on there. So definitely not throwing those away. They're hard to find. And we'll see you on the next one, guys. Peace.